Hi, welcome back. Today it'll be a quick one with gasoline smell from a 99 Infiniti QX4. 99 QX4, same as a Pathfinder. Daughter reported that she smelled gasoline from the car. Told her to park it. So first thing I did was check to make sure the gas cap was on there tight. And it was, and when I loosened it, you could hear the pressure release. So that was good. I did my sniffer test. Didn't smell any gasoline. Popped the hood on the vehicle and checked for the smell of gasoline underneath here. There's some fuel lines that go right there. And so I didn't smell any gasoline underneath here. Got inside the vehicle. Smelled around inside the vehicle. Didn't smell any gasoline in here. Underneath here is the top of your gas tank and an access point for your to replace your fuel pump and so forth. But I didn't smell any fuel in here. So I started the car up and ran it for a little bit, and with the AC on high I could smell some gasoline. So I figured, well, it's sucking it in from the outside, blowing it in, so what's going on? So with the car running, this is what I found. Gas smell reported from the vehicle with the engine running. Not going to get very good gas mileage there now, will you? Alright, there's the culprit, people. Easy enough fix. Fuel filter line. Time to change the fuel filter. So we went ahead and changed the fuel filter and the fuel line, and everything is a-okay. Thank you for visiting my channel.